Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today, I'm going to teach you how to crochet filet squares. Filet crochet is a simple way of skipping stitches and creating a mesh-like fabric to create patterns and pictures and all kinds of things. This is probably one of the easiest versions of filet crochet, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using We Crochet's Comfy Sport number 2 weight yarn. This is a 75% Pima cotton, 25% acrylic blend. This is what I use for this project, which is the Valerie Tee. It is a really simple garment design where you just create 2 panels and sew them together. So I will link to this pattern in the description. And I also have a F 3.75 millimeter furls streamlined wood crochet hook. I will also link the yarn and hook in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start the filet squares, you're going to want to chain in a multiple of 12 plus 3. So for this tutorial, I am going to chain 27 chains. All right, I have chained 27. I'm going to be working into the back bump of my chain. So I'm going to take my chain and turn it around to the back. I'm going to double crochet in the 4th chain from my hook. So I've got my 2nd one here, my 3rd, and then my 4th. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet. And then I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Then I am going to chain 1. I'm going to skip my next chain and I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the next. Then I'm going to do it again, chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next. And then I'm going to do it one more time, chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next. Then I am going to work 1 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches or chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then I'm going to repeat my skipped one. So I'm going to chain 1, skip 1 chain, do 1 double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the next. And we're going to do it one more time, chain 1, skip 1, and we've come to our last chain. So we're going to do 1 double crochet in that last chain. So here is what it looks like. All right, for row 2, we are going to chain 4 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to count, since we're ending with our open stitches right here, that's going to count as your first double crochet plus your chain 1. So we're going to skip that chain 1 from row 1 and we're going to work into this double crochet. We're going to do 1 double crochet into that stitch. There you go. And then we're going to do chain 1. We're going to skip the chain 1 from down here, row 1, and work 1 double crochet in the next. And then we're going to do it again. Chain 1, skip the chain 1 from below, and work 1 double crochet in the next. So you basically repeated the open stitches right there. Now we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now we're going to chain 1, skip the chain 1 from below, and work 1 double crochet into the next double crochet. And do it again, chain 1, skip, and double crochet. And then one more time, chain 1, skip the chain 1, and work a double crochet. And then now we're going to finish off by doing 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. And this starting chain, when we did our 4th chain from the hook, the other 3 chains, that's going to count as your stitch as well. So your last stitch will be into the top of those chains. And that is row 2 of our filet squares. Now we're going to do row 3, and it will be another set of these exactly on top of each other like this. So since we're ending with double crochets on this side, we're going to chain 3, and that counts as our first double crochet. So we're not going to work into that first one. We're going to double crochet into the next one and each of the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will have a total of 7 double crochet to start row 3. Now we're going to start our open stitches. We're going to chain 1, skip the chain 1 from row 2, and work 1 double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Repeat it, chain 1, skip chain, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain from below, and work a double crochet into the next. Now 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. All right, then we will chain 1, skip 1, 1 DC in the next, chain 1, skip 1, 1 DC in the next, and then chain 1, skip a chain, and work in the top of that 3rd chain of your chain 4 that you started with. All right, so we've completed our first set of filet squares. Now we're going to shift them over a little bit and have the open stitches be above the solid double crochets, and then the solids will be above the open stitches. So let's do that now. So for row 4, we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and that's going to count as our first double crochet. Then we're going to work 1 double crochet around that chain 1. So now we have 2 double crochets. Then I'm going to work a double crochet into this double crochet. Then I'm going to work another double crochet into that next chain 1. So now I have 4 double crochet in a row. Now I'm going to do another one into this double crochet and another one into the next chain 1. And then I'm going to do 1 double crochet into the next double crochet. So see, I have just closed off those chain spaces. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I am going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and do 1 double crochet into the next. And then I'm going to repeat that, chain 1, skip 1, do 1 double crochet into the next. And then one more time, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet into the next. So now I am back at the chains, the open stitches, but I've created open stitches right above these ones. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to work 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, or around the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into that double crochet right there, the next one, 1 double crochet around the next chain 1 space, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 more double crochet around the chain space, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And then now we're going to finish off by doing our second set of open stitches. So chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next. And then one more time, chain 1, skip 1, and then do 1 double crochet in the top of your chain 3. All right, so there we have it. We have shifted our squares over. So now we're going to do 5 and 6 with it like this, with these. So we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn our work. That counts as a double crochet plus a chain 1. So we're going to skip the chain and do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And then repeat, chain 1, skip the chain, 1 double crochet in the next. And then one more time, chain 1, skip, 1 double crochet in the next. And then do 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. All right, and then you're going to chain 1, skip your chain, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip your chain, and do 1 double crochet in the next. And then to finish off, we'll do 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one in the top of your chain 3. All right, and we'll do that again. We're going to start with our solid double crochets here. So just chain 3 and turn your work. And then 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. All right, then we're going to chain 1, skip the chain, and do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And chain 1, skip, 1 double crochet. Okay, and then 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. and chain 1, skip the chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip, 1 chain, and then work into your chain 3 of that chain 4. And now you've completed your second set of fillet squares, and as you can see, you can start to see the pattern. So now what you're going to do is you're going to repeat that again. You're going to do a chain 3 to start, and then you'll double crochet into the chains and the stitches across, and then you'll start skipping here and working into the chains and the stitches here, and then start skipping stitches here again. And you will alternate every 3 rows, shifting those fillet crochets, the fillet squares over back and forth each time. So that's how you do it. It's really quite simple. You can check out the written pattern for the exact repeats and all that. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And if you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.